Hello, my name is Noah Fenton. Welcome to my video assignment number 3 for Physics 223. I chose to do exercise 5.6 from the book. The book tells us that a crane is holding a ball with a mass of 4,090 kilograms between one cable with a tension of A and another cable with a tension of B. The one with the tension of B is hanging at an angle of 40 degrees from the crane. So, if we look at this as a right triangle, I can solve for the different angles of that right triangle, so I might be able to find the various net forces of this here ball. So, right here are all the different angles that I found on this little diagram, which helps me complete the net force diagram that I drew on the next page. In the negative x direction is the tension of A, and the tension of B is right here. So, we know that the ball has a negative force of mass times gravity. And basically, if we look at this equation right here, we can set the net force of F of y to the mass times the acceleration of y, which is this right here. So basically we want to solve for the positive y direction. So if we do, using cosine and this 40 degrees, we can find that this right here is the cosine of 40 times TB, the hypotenuse. So with that, we can solve for TB, which I did here by multiplying TB times the cosine of 40 and then subtracting these. If I switch everything to the other side and set everything to TB, I find that it's 5.23 times 10 to the 4 newtons. So, with that, I can solve the net force of f of x. So, TB times the sine of 40 minus TA is equal to 0. So I solve for that. TA is equal to 3.36 times 10 to the 4 newtons. So basically, with this problem, the main part is looking at this diagram, figuring out a net force diagram from that, and then using all of the different net force equations that we are given to solve for the various tensions of the cables. Thank you.